Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix meta verification not available on Instagram. In order to fix meta verification not being able or you're not being able to verify, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to make sure to go ahead and open up your Instagram application and log into your account, after which click on the profile initials and then tap on the menu bar from the top right. Go to account center from the list. As you go to this section, there you have these meta verified. You click on it, and here you have to make sure to check for your advanced protection is enabled for the profile you're verifying, as this is the requirement. Next, you also need to ensure your account is public or personal and not a business account itself. After which, you need to confirm your ID is valid and unexpired, government issued, readable, and taken head on in a well lit area of a flat surface as well. And you also need to make sure to enter your full name of the profile that matches the name on your government issued ID. And you must be at least 18 years old to subscribe to a meta verified. And you could go ahead and read the terms and community guidelines of the Instagram itself. So these are some of the ways you should be able to fix, or these are some of the steps you could do in order to fix the issue. Likewise, other than that, you could also try updating your application or clearing your cache as well as data that might be able to solve your issue. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.